So let's move on to some theory. What is an ERC20? ERC20 is a technical standard. It is used for all smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain for token implementation. So that's important. We have to follow the ERC20 technical standard when we uh, create a smart contract on Ethereum blockchain for token implementation, and provides a list of rules that all the Ethereum based token must follow. So these are some basic technical standards that we need to follow if we are creating a token uh, on blockchain. So let's look at the function that provided with this ERC20 token. These are the function that we will going to get when we extend the ERC20 smart contract in our application. So we need to implement these functions in our application, or we need to use this function in our application. So this is the standard that we need to follow. Now let's move on and build a smart contract. In order to build a smart contract, we're going to Red Hat that we have already used in previous application. What is Red Hat? And it's Ethereum development environment and framework designed for full stack development and Solidity. It is, in simple words, you can write your smart contract, deploy them, run, test, and debug your code. To set up a project, open a terminal and execute these commands. So let's create it.